Good morning, students. I am Ashok Kumar Tripathi, lecturer English from Government Inter College, Pipri Sonbhadra. Welcome to our online intermediate English teaching class. Today we are going to study a beautiful poem, Character of a Happy Life, composed by great poet, scholar and diplomat of 17th century Sir Henry Wotton. Let's see some important points about the poet. He was born in 1568. He was educated at Winchester, Oxford, Middle Temple. He became agent and secretary to the Earl of Essex. He was the ambassador at the court of Venice. He sought various other diplomatic missions. Now let's see the poem. In this poem, the poet Sir Henry Wotton has told us what are the main characteristics of a person who is really happy in his life. What qualities he should possess to be happy in his life. Let's see the stanza. The first stanza, how happy is he born or taught. This, how happy is he born or taught, that serveth not another's will, whose armor is his honest thought, and simple truth his utmost skill. So in the first line the poet says that person who is born or taught free, it means he does not act according to the wishes of other persons, or he is not slave to some other person. He is the most happy one. This is form of exclamation when he writes how happy is he born. It means he is very happy. Such a person understands the quality of freedom, the value of freedom. For him, freedom is the most important thing. He is not dependent to other persons for any case. Second line, that serveth not under another's will. It means he does not act according to the desire of any other person. Let's see the third line, whose armor is his honest thought. For such a person, the most powerful weapon for his protection is his honest thought. It means he is an honest man. He always deals with honesty. You must have heard, dear students, a proverb, honesty is the best policy. This rule is followed by such a person who wants to lead a really happy life. And last line, and simple truth is utmost skill. For such a person, the most quality, the most skill inherent in his personality is simple truth. He deals in truth, he behaves with truth. Truth is utmost for him. See this third line of the poem, whose armor is his honest thought. When the poet writes this armor is his honest thoughts, the poet Sir Henry Wotton beautifully uses the figures of speech metaphor. Now suppose that you have to write the reference. You will write the name of the poem from which the stanza has been extracted, and for context you will write that in this stanza the poet has mainly described the characteristics of a happy person's life. Explanation just I have told you. Next, for central idea you will have to study the whole poem, and you will define and give and mention all those qualities which are necessary for a happy life. So this poem has a resemblance with the second chapter of the Bhagavad Gita written by the great Maharshi Ved Vyas. Dear students, now let's try to understand this stanza in Hindi also. इस पद्यांश में कवि ने हमें बताया है कि कोई व्यक्ति जो स्वस्थ